Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my followers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty shall give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest videos. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed, beautiful ideas, cat cave, cat house, cat coat ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing patterns. Some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast, paint ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful pattern, mind-blowing ideas. Beautiful and most demanding crochet cat bed. सो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा, अच्छे से कमेंट्स कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे और आप उनसे फ़ायदा उठाएं. ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज़ एंड ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइनिंग. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त आइडियाज़ हैं यहाँ पर आपके लिए. Okay viewers, अब मुझे दीजिएगा इजाज़त. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Allah Hafiz.